Bad piny owacho mochung'ne rango wuodhe mag apaya ma Northern Corridor koni dwaro nitie mar weg loche mating'o osigo rango matut ngima derepe mating'o mwandu kowuok e wuoth manowath ma Mombasa kadhi e pinje mag libamba. Ma en bang' yango kwan 60% mag derepe mane opim na yudi kod tuoche mopogore opogore. Gino makidek nyawo masiche mag apaya kod keyo tuoche kowuok e piny achiel nyaka machielo. Kane giloso gi jofwamb weche Mombasa, jatend riwruogno mag Northern Corridor koni sani koro gibiro kanyakla maneno ni gichuogo ute thieth mageto derepe mariembo lochego kendo joweg loche mondo oket maino e rango ngima derepe matiyonegi.
Because our drivers cut across or cut through different countries, there are different types of diseases that are moving around, okay? And I think you are aware that there was a scare on Ebola some time back. During COVID time, we also came out very strongly to intervene as a secretariat. And apart from that, there are other diseases related to respiratory infections that have been circulating a lot because of the movement of people and goods along the corridor.
In Malaba, we tested drivers' health condition, the eyesight, the sugar level, the blood pressure, and what we came up with was about over 60% of the drivers had one or the other condition. And also talking to them, they did not have regular health facilities or access to health services. So to us, that was a sticking point. We thought that was a red flag. Drivers were not as safe as we thought. It was not about driving skills, but about them and their own health.